Welcome back to my channel again. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem when an app is not showing up in the Google Play Store. This can be a very frustrating issue because if an app doesn't appear in the Play Store, you won't be able to download it. So make sure to watch this video until the end and don't skip any part. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app. You may have already searched for the app you are looking for, but it is not showing up. In the case, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Play Store. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. Here, find the Family section. Then scroll down and tap on Parental Controls. Sometimes apps don't appear in the Play Store because parental controls are enabled. If they are turned on, simply disable them. However, if you didn't set up parental controls yourself, you will need the person who enabled them to enter the PIN and turn them off. You can also try adjusting the age restriction if necessary. Once you have disabled parental controls, go back to the Play Store and search for the app again. Hopefully, the app will now appear. If it's still not showing up, follow this next method. Again, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Play Store. Then scroll down and go to Settings. Then open the About section. Scroll down and tap on Update Play Store. If an update is available, tap under Stored and let the Play Store update it itself. In many cases, updating the Play Store fixes the problem. If that doesn't work, exit the Play Store and open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps to open the Apps menu. Use the search bar at the top and here type Google Play Store. Once you found them, tap to open it. In the menu, tap on the Force Stop button at the bottom. Then tap OK to confirm. Next, go to the Storage menu. Here you can see two options. First, tap on Clear Cache. Then tap on Clear Data as well and confirm it. Once you have completed this step, open the Google Play Store again and search for the app you were looking for. Hopefully, the app will now appear correctly in the Play Store and your problem will be resolved. If you have any question, let me know in the comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Fix Your Apps. Thanks for watching.